I am to inform you right now that you are 4 weeks pregnant.
You serious?
Yes, you are, miss.
Huh?
Hello, good night. Is this Maria?
They told me I wasn't.
I'm sorry to reinform you that you are actually 4 weeks pregnant, miss.
Are you serious?
Yes, you are. What would what would be your?
Oh wait, hold on. The recruiter told me I wasn't.
They told you that you wasn't.
Yeah, they told me the results came out like it was like I was pregnant at all. Like you sure? This is Maria Pena. You sure? Like
Two
you not trying
seconds.
to
2 seconds.
you
Let
not
me
trying to you
let
not
me
trying to
re
jinx me, right?
let me re check the schedule real quick. One moment, miss.
Hello?
One moment. I'm recollecting my schedule.
Hello?
Yes, this is Maria, correct?
No. I'm not gonna bother right now. And I'm very sure.
This is Maria Benner, correct?
Yeah, this is Maria Pena.
Yes, I am to reinform you, miss, that the test that you were done.
Yeah, he's on 4 weeks pregnant. I'm not pregnant.
They had given you the wrong result, miss.
Hello?
Hello, good night.
Yes, you sure?
I am being very sure. Maria Banner, correct?
This is Maria Pena.
Right.
What doctor is this? It's from the clinic?
This is Dr. Alvin from the clinic.
Hello?
Hello. Could you just let Maria know that?
You said Maria Gonzalez?
No, not me, Maria Gonzalez, miss.
Maria Pena or Maria Gonzalez?
Maria Penner.
Oh, Maria Pena. This is Maria Pena.
I am telling you, miss.
Hold on, miss. Hello?
Hello, good night.
Yes.
Yes, miss. I do have to leave the office, but I just had the lost reinformation to come up on my desk, and I was to call you or something earlier on, but I've forgotten because I had to attend to another patient at the time. But Maria Penner, you are actually 4 weeks pregnant. What would you like to do with that? Because the abortion stage
Can I
is.
schedule another appointment to come in?
Would you like to schedule another appointment? When would you like to come in?
Next, this Tuesday.
And what would you just to verify, what would you like to do?
Yeah, hello?
Excuse me, could you say that again, please? You would like to do what?
Yeah, I want a personal appointment to get an abortion.
Okay, one moment. Let me pass you over to my staff right here, and she's going to take down your information, and I will talk to you in a moment, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Hello, good night, how may I help you?
Alright, thank you.
Hello?
Hello?
You would like to schedule an appointment?
Yes, please.
And what would you like to be done? Is it a regular routine check?
Abortion.
Would it be, excuse me?
Abortion.
An abortion. Okay, hold on one moment. Maria Penner, am I correct?
Yeah, Maria Pena.
Okay. And your addresses, please?
Address?
Pod.
Hello.
Hello, good night.
This is Maria Ogaboga. What I don't understand is why are you calling so late for I know something like that.
The doctor was about to leave, and he had the last information on his desk that he had to call, and he was unable to call at this morning because he had to tend to another patient on this morning.
Has she been there before?
Yes, she has.
Okay, so should you have her information logged in, like her address and everything?
Excuse me, sir, but I'd like to speak to Maria Penner because it is to
That's
verify. It is to verify.
I want to know.
It is
no, that's my sister. I want to know if she's been there before. You should really have her information on file.
It is
an address, phone number, and all that.
It is to verify, sir. It is just to verify. It is a routine check that we need to
If you
do.
have it, there's only for verification. That's the address you have on file. That's the last address you live in.
Are you the dark skinned brother that comes with her?
Excuse me?
You are the dark skinned one that come with her?
Dark skin one that come on her with
To the clinic?
to the clinic?
Yes.
No, I'm not.
Okay. It is just to verify. It is a routine check that we do.
Okay.
It is
So I'm
just
gonna give her the, I just want to know, but she wanted me to speak to y'all, but I'm gonna give her the phone back so she can verify the address.
okay. Thank you.
Are you the doctor? I'm in trouble. Hello?
Yes. Hello.
Hello? Yeah, this is Maria Pena.
Yes. And to verify your address is
It's 144 50230 place.
130 what?
144 230 place.
230 place. Okay. Thank you. And once again, you would like to do an abortion.
Yes.
Are you sure that is what you want to do?
Yes. Hello?
Just to verify your area of location is Springville?
Yes, Springfield. Springfield Gardens.
Okay. And Maria, is this going to be your first abortion or your second?
My first.
Your first, okay. Just
Yeah,
to,
my first.
just to verify.
Yes.
And have you been taking any medication lately?
No. Mm-hmm.
Have you been any drugs in your system? Alcohol?
No.
No drugs, no alcohol. Any cigarettes?
Well, cigarettes, yeah.
Ooh, we might have a situation there.
Why?
Because at the
Hello?
at the moment, Maria, you are 4 weeks, and it is kind of a critical stage, because what the symptoms of cigarettes actually does to your system, it makes your system immune to certain things, and it certain basically protects the embryo which is inside of your body.
What that mean?
What that
Tell me-
means
tell me
is
what that means.
there could be a position where we will not be able to get rid of the baby.
That's not true. Most people have abortions when they smoke cigarettes too.
Have you ever had
Huh?
Miss Maria? Have you ever had
Listen,
a
listen. I've never been pregnant. Listen, I haven't had none. No hokey dokey. Like I haven't did nothing. Like no sex. That's the only time I haven't had none since this whole month.
Okay, how long
I don't know if I had some, but other than that, no, mister.
okay, how long have you been smoking?
Personally, I can give you the day of my month, my period, and everything because my period came, and I'm sure for a fact I'm not pregnant.
Okay, but you do know women can also have their period while on their pregnancy.
For real?
Yes, they could. Please do. When you finish on my conversation here, you could go look it up on the internet.
Yeah, well, I don't even know that.
So,
All I know,
just
I
to
keep track of my
verify-
thing. I write it down now.
Just to verify, how long have you been smoking?
You said, how long I've been, I always smoke all the time.
Approximately how many do you smoke a day?
What, cigarettes?
Yes.
A pack.
Oh my word.
I'm sorry, this is not funny. This just scared me because you calling me and it's like, it's a problem because I really think, so the clinic told me when I went there and I called before, they told me I wasn't pregnant. They told me exactly the words. So I said, okay, what's the result? So they told me, they said I wasn't. So I understand how, y'all just you calling my phone and telling me that, and which they told me I wasn't. That's exactly what the clinic said.
And did you come to us or did you go somewhere else?
No, I went, it's over there on 225 with the library at.
Okay. That's
Yeah,
where the
I'm-
library.
Yeah, 225, remember, it's, the clinic is called, Lowellton, Medical Center, yeah, medical center.
On Merrick Boulevard, correct?
Yeah, Merrick Boulevard.
Okay. One moment. One moment. Yes, hello, Maria.
Yes?
Do you remember the blood test that you did?
Oh, yeah, I did the blood test, yeah.
Okay, did you get the results back for those also?
Yeah, she told me, she told me I was pregnant.
Because I think you have somebody else's blood test. It has your name on it correctly.
Hold on, I'm coming. Hold on.
Please don't take this as a joke.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Yes.
Yes, you went and do you have the paper in front of you?
Huh?
Do you have the paper in front of you?
The paper, no, she didn't give me no paper, but, did she give me a paper? I think I gave it, the paper that she signed, like, stating to me.
Did you also do the STD test?
No, why? What it came out?
Because it normally comes out regular when you have to do that. Are you aware that you have chlamydia?
Huh?
Are you aware that you have chlamydia?
What's that?
Type 1 chlamydia.
Was that bad?
No, it's not really it's a sexual transmitted disease that you catch.
Uh-huh.
But your situation right now is type 1. You can get rid of it. It is almost as worse as you could say gonorrhea, but it's not as bad.
Oh, okay. But,
did you check the test?
yeah, I checked it. She told me everything was good with me.
Okay. And are you aware that you have type 2 syphilis?
I have what?
Type 2 syphilis.
What's that?
It is also, well, this one is sort of like gonorrhea. In a few weeks, sometimes your vagina, does it smell a little bit? Okay, that's syphilis, type 2, which basically, it gets like a more of a raunchy smell to it.
You say it gets what?
Like a raunchy, like a stink sense, like a stink smell.
Oh, I'm about to say, because I take showers every day. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, no, it's not the case of you having a shower. It's the sexual transmitted disease that you would infect. The infection of it would tend to lead to that smelling a little bit more and more every day.
Oh, okay. But,
do you normally,
this appointment Tuesday.
do a quick test for me, please. Don't take this as me being funny. Quickly take your hand and push it down the back of your backside underneath your butt and see if you have any bumps.
I check myself before anything, like see if I have bumps on my body or anything.
No, they're not really big bumps. They're like little pimples. Could you just feel and see if you have any?
Near my butt?
The bottom of your butt. Not the top, the bottom. It's between your vagina and your anus. Do you feel any bumps? They're sort of like razor bumps, but they're not razor bumps.
No, I will let you know, be honest. I'm not sitting here lying. I'm not gonna lie about it. For me, I always protect myself. I always use condoms. You feel me? I don't understand how I'm pregnant because I use condoms when I have sex, but only with my first. I didn't use condoms. Only with my first. Only first. So.
Condoms are normally 99% safe. The 1% sometimes, you know, there might be a little one that tries to figure his way out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you schedule something Tuesday so I can really sit down and talk to whoever is this I'm talking to?
Right now this is Alvin.
Alvin? Okay.
Yes. Dr. Alvin.
You got my cell phone number, right? That you calling from?
Dr. Alvin Sahir.
Dr. Alvin?
Yes, this is your cell phone.
Okay. So, can we schedule this appointment and sit down and talk about this?
Would you like to keep the same emergency contact?
Yeah, same. Yeah, same. Yeah, same.
Okay,
same
because-
contact.
Okay, so let me see. Your emergency contact is Shantice.
Yeah, since no, you don't have to call her. You don't have to call her.
Okay, cause we do have to also verify your emergency contact also. But if you do not want me to do that, may I ask the reason why, or is that a personal matter?
No, it's just a personal matter.
Oh, okay. So you're aware that you have syphilis.
Because what the fuck is that?
It is a sexual transmitted disease.
Okay, alright, I know about that. Okay.
Okay, and the appointment that you want is Tuesday. Okay. Roughly what time?
What time? It don't matter in the afternoon.
In the afternoon. Around like
Yeah.
say 2:30.
Whatever time y'all open.
Okay, so I will put you down for 2:30. Is that okay?
2:20? Okay, definitely.
Okay, and I must tell you once again that having unprotected sex, even though you said you didn't, you know, having unprotected
No,
sex.
I did with my first.
Okay.
I had protected sex with him.
So
Hello?
on Tuesday we're gonna pull the little sucker out. On Tuesday we're gonna pull the sucker out. You know, if you wait an extra week, we could tell you the sex of the baby.
Oh, for real?
Yes, you could. If you wait an extra week, we could tell you the sex of the baby.
Oh, okay.
Have you ever considered keeping the baby?
Hello?
Have you ever considered keeping the baby?
Not really until I just found out.
Well, you should think it over. Talk it out, you know?
Okay. Okay.
And then Tuesday, when you come in, we shall have a talk.
Oh, okay, definitely.
Okay, thank you very much. You have a good night.
You too. Good night.
Just leave it as that. Yo!